Extreme Soda Murder 10. This is the 10th Extreme Soda Murderer. We got root beers. We got lemon lime soda. Soda Murder's number 2 is with me. He almost couldn't make it today. Alright. Oh, you're going for the first one? Okay, I'll let you do the honors. Alright, go. Alright, send it off. Oh, I'll show you how it's done. What the heck? It didn't even blow up. Oh, you're doing yours. Wait, don't murder it yet. I gotta get mine. Yeah, shake it up. Shake it real good. There it goes. Oh. You missed it. Oh. Oh, what the heck? I thought if it would hit the corner, it would blow up. Ugh. Oh, the wrapping's all mangled up. I'll just put mine right here. Alright, go. Go for it. Oh, you idiot. I haven't said that in so long. Alright, here I go. Jeez, we keep missing. Alright. Okay, I'll get this one murder, don't worry. I got it. Oh. Jeez, it's a small target. We couldn't get the big stepping stone over here. Okay, here I go. Okay, get the root beer. Yeah. Yeah, root beer. Where it goes. Oh, that would have been so perfect. Okay, I got it. Yeah, root beer. Root beer. Oh, it's lodged. It's lodged. It's lodged in the... Wait, don't murder it yet. I gotta get this one unlodged. Okay. Go. Go. Oh. Oh, what the crap? It dug up some of the dirt. I know this is kind of a bad start. Oh! Oh my goodness! Whoa! Oh, I don't know if I caught that. I'll have to check.
Now it smells like root beer.
And I got my kicks wet. Ugh.
Get that out.
Alright. It took us 2 minutes to took us 2 minutes to murder the first soda. Let me get this root beer. Ugh. Oh, what? It dug in the ground because it's so muddy. Alright, your turn. Go. Oh, wow. Jeez. Hopefully we have one that goes off like a bomb. Kind of like what happened in, I think, Extreme Soda Murder 7. Remember that one? Where it went off like a bomb. Oh! Oh, you moved the stepping stone. Dang it. Oh.
I'll get the one that's right here.
Wait, hold on, I gotta murder this one. Ugh. Oh, geez, they're bouncy. They're extra bouncy today. Alright, here I go for this one. I'm gonna murder it from this angle. Oh! Jeez. That one's aiming straight towards me. Oh. Shades of Extreme Soda Murder 5.
Seems like root beer actually works.
Yeah. The knockoff one, not the actual mainline root beer. Oh, man. Get out of here. One more root beer left. We got one last one here. Here I go. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna have to clean that
towards me.
Oh, we gotta clean that up afterwards. Oh, we got a big mess to clean.
Power washer to wash the side off.
Yeah. I wonder what this tastes like. Oh. Disgusting. My mouth still tastes like root beer. Okay. Now for the lemon lime soda. Alright, let's see if this works as good as the root beer. Yeah. You might want to stand back.
Okay.
Alright. Oh. Man. Oh. Okay. I'm about to murder this one. Ah. All right, your turn. Oh, my hand's all dirty. I would wipe it in the grass, in the leaves, but whatever. Oh. Jeez.
On my hand.
You idiot. Haven't said.
Root beer that's been flying.
I haven't called soda murder number 2 an idiot in a while. Ugh. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's leaking.
Oh.
It has a leak. Oh. So it's still all that. Stop leaking. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh. It was flying towards me. I swear I'm a soda magnet today. Wow. 2 more.
All right.
I'll-
Down to the 2.
All right. There you go. All right, I gotta be.
Sticky. How much was the hail on them? I wish we had gloves.
Yeah. I think I wore gloves one time. I can't remember. All right, you better get back. Run. Ah.
I was worried I was gonna go flying.
Yeah, like the other one. Ah. The sodas are trying to hit me today.
A little slippery.
Yeah, it's gonna get sticky afterwards. You can't be serious. All right, your turn. Look at my hand. It's
It's
a.
best to shake the soda up.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Oh wow. I'm gonna see if I can't hit it on the corner. Kind of like how that one soda exploded out of the side. Oh! Oh! It did exactly what I wanted it to do. Wow. Oh, it blew out the side. Look at this.
That one went up like a bomb.
Go check that out.
Well, let's see it.
Yeah, pick it up. I'll show the camera.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
All right, hold my camera. I'm gonna do the last one. Okay. All right. Here goes.
Oh wait. I want to do it on this side.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh. Oh no, it's leaked.
It's leaking.
Oh man.
Just slam it. Slam it. Try and slam it.
Try to. Okay. Okay, now it won't leak. So technically, I can still do this one. Ah. Okay. There I go. Oh.
Went under there.
I'm not sure if it.
Because of all these leaves in the way.
Oh, there's mud all over it.
There's mud all over it.
I'll wash my hands after this.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Are you kidding me?
Are you serious?
I'll just. Oh, it's leaking.
Gotta let it explode somehow.
Outside.
Oh, look at all the dirt that's on it.
I know. Alright. Stop leaking. Oh. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna wash all the stuff off the side. Alright, here I go.
What is going on?
Oh, it's sprayed on my leg. Oh well.
What is going on?
I think it's done for.
I think it might be done for.
Oh, wait, there's still pressure inside of it. I
Oh.
think we can still do this.
Oh,
We'll do one more.
okay. See if there's still pressure inside it. What is it? Why is it not exploding? At least hit the cap. At least let it hit in the cap.
Yeah.
Oh, the cap burst off.
Yeah. It tastes like Mountain Dew.
You just throw it over there for a change. All right, there you have it.